about ready to see exactly how weatherproof an iPhone 11 is, because I'm gonna get this damn pileated woodpecker. I mean, maybe. Because he's out here this morning. Everybody's out here this morning. I refilled feeders with the weather. Boy, they love it. Let's see if I can't get this little sucker. There, he's the one making all that mess in there, chopping all that wood up. I guess it's all nice and soft and he can just dig into it. I'm just gonna place it right down here and see what I can see. He's not coming back. Anytime he sees me, he does not come back at all. If I place a camera anywhere around here, he just knows. He's like, you don't get to be this big and badass falling for stupid stuff. And I get that. Can't fault the pretty little bird for that. It's not even pretty. He's just a badass looking bird, man. He's a pterodactyl. Looks awesome. Looks like the bird activity in general's really kind of died down. So we'll try back. We'll try back next time. I think that streaming camera Clayboy got me, that will be perfect. We'll try again later. Which as soon as I go inside, he's gonna be right back out there.